Rub this on your feet before bed, and you might just sleep like a baby again. It sounds like an old wives' tale, but more and more seniors are turning to this simple, natural trick to ease pain, calm nerves, and even support heart health. What's the secret? Something you probably already have in your kitchen. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll not only know exactly what it is, but how to use it the right way to unlock its full benefits. Let's rewind the clock a bit. Centuries ago, before pharmacies lined every corner and painkillers filled every cabinet, people relied on nature. Herbs, oils, and balms were more than just remedies, they were survival tools. And among the most respected of these was one humble ingredient, castor oil. Now, you might be thinking, castor oil? Isn't that the stuff Grandma used to make us drink? Yes, it is. But what few people realize is that it's also a powerful topical remedy, especially when applied to the feet. And that's exactly where our story takes a turn. Our feet are more than just the base of our body. They're full of nerve endings, over 7,000 in each foot, to be exact. These nerve endings connect to organs, glands, and systems throughout the body. This is why techniques like reflexology and foot massage can have such a broad impact on our overall health. When you rub a healing oil like castor oil onto your feet before bed, you're not just moisturizing your skin. You're delivering its powerful properties directly to the body's internal network. Seniors who've adopted this habit swear by its effects, especially when it comes to easing joint pain, reducing inflammation, and even promoting restful sleep. So, what makes castor oil so special? First, it's rich in ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory and analgesic, pain-relieving properties. When massaged into the feet, it can help reduce swelling in the joints, calm irritated nerves, and even soothe tired muscles. Second, castor oil acts as a circulation booster. Many seniors struggle with poor blood flow, which can lead to cold feet, numbness, or that pins and needles feeling. Rubbing warm castor oil into the soles of the feet stimulates circulation, helping your body deliver oxygen and nutrients where they're needed most. Third, and this might surprise you, castor oil is a natural detoxifier. When applied to the skin, it helps support the lymphatic system, which is responsible for removing toxins from the body. By applying it to the feet, some believe it helps draw out impurities while you sleep, especially when used consistently over time. Now, let's talk results. Mary, 68, used to wake up 3 or 4 times a night due to chronic arthritis in her feet and ankles. After her daughter suggested trying castor oil foot massages before bed, she hesitated, but gave it a shot. Within days, her sleep improved. The swelling reduced. And that morning stiffness she dreaded? Almost gone. John, 72, started using it to deal with his restless legs. After warming the oil slightly and massaging it into his calves and feet, he noticed a calming effect. "It's like my legs finally know it's time to rest," he said. These aren't isolated cases. Online forums, natural health communities, and even holistic doctors are beginning to recognize the subtle yet powerful impact of this simple practice. Now, before you rush off to grab a bottle, here's how to use castor oil the right way. Start by selecting cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil. This ensures you're using the purest form without harmful chemicals. Each night before bed, warm a tablespoon of oil slightly, just enough to feel comforting on the skin. You can do this by placing it in a small bowl over hot water or gently microwaving it for 10 seconds. Next, find a quiet, relaxed space. Begin massaging the oil into your feet, focusing on the arches, heels, and toes. Take your time. This isn't just about the oil, it's about the touch, the circulation, and the care. Once you've covered both feet, you have 2 choices. Either let the oil soak in naturally as you lie in bed, or put on a pair of clean cotton socks to keep your sheets oil-free and enhance absorption. And that's it. No complicated steps. Just a small habit with big impact. If you want to take this routine even further, some seniors add a drop or 2 of lavender essential oil for extra relaxation. Lavender promotes calmness and has been shown to improve sleep quality, especially in older adults. Others combine castor oil with magnesium oil, another powerful mineral that supports muscle relaxation and nervous system balance. Together, they create a dynamic duo for pain relief and better sleep. In a world flooded with pills, quick fixes and overnight promises, it's refreshing to rediscover a remedy that's been right under our noses, or, in this case, under our feet, all along. What's truly beautiful about this practice is that it's not just about the oil. It's about intentional self-care. Taking 5 quiet minutes each night to connect with your body, honor your health, and prepare your mind for deep, restful sleep. And for many seniors, it's not just about relief, it's about reclaiming comfort, independence, and peace of mind. So, why not give it a try tonight? 1 small bottle of castor oil, a few quiet minutes, and the simple act of rubbing your feet could be the beginning of a whole new chapter of sleep, relief, and rejuvenation. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more natural health tips, and share this with someone who could use a little nightly relief. And in the comments below, let us know, have you ever tried rubbing castor oil on your feet before bed? We'd love to hear your experience. Until next time, take care of your body, because it's the only place you have to live.